Health is an essential part of our lives. This is a hard reality. Buying adequate health insurance is key. More so when you are abroad on a visa. But we don't realize how important it is till it hits us hard. Like it hit Vijay. Vijay belonged to India. He got a chance to work in Australia on 457 visa. He was overjoyed. Everything was going right for him. Academic documents, employer sponsorship, health insurance, but all was not well. To save money, Vijay had chosen the policy without comparing the features and plans available. He didn't know what life had in store for him. In Australia, he fell sick, and doctors diagnosed him with blood cancer. He needed chemotherapy and radiation. He needed the support of highly trained medical professionals for a huge operation. It hit him and his family hard. It turned out that his health insurance policy only covered the basic services. It didn't include the expenses for the treatment of bone marrow transplant. The healthcare in Australia was too expensive. His family found it hard to afford it. Vijay updated his plan to buy a platinum visitor cover. This could cover all the treatments, including bone marrow transplantation in Australia. Unfortunately, the policy didn't cover existing illness for at least 1 year. There was a waiting period of 12 months to get the privileges of that cover. He couldn't afford to get treated in Australia. So, he had to fly back to India for emergency treatment and returned to Australia after 1 year. When buying health insurance, no one thinks about the worst case scenario. And the worst case happens only once in 1,000 instances, or maybe even less. But why take all the risk? Visit getmypolicy.online and compare wide range of overseas visitor health covers on coverage, waiting period, pre-existing conditions, emergency services, accommodation, and many more. It only takes a few clicks. Try now.